Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Blue, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have an announcement for the winner of my CatLady box. Okay, hang on. He comes up here right when I was about to film, y'all. If he would just sit down. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Y'all, if you remember, well, the sun is out and it's right on my camera. Let me see if I could change that a little bit. I don't know if I can. I have the blinds closed. How strange. Okay, I'll move over a little bit. I did, the wonderful CatLady box sent me a couple of boxes to review. And they accidentally sent me July twice. So I talked to them and decided to do a giveaway, and they thought it was really a good idea. I kept one for myself. I have shared some of the items in there, and then I did a giveaway with that July box, and one of y'all won it. It was Morgan Griggs. Morgan Griggs won it. She has a channel. Go see her. She's got a cute little channel. And then I got September and October box from them, which I just love their boxes. So thank you so much, CatLady Box. And they had sent me a message on Instagram and said, hey, we'd like to do another giveaway with you. So at this time, though, instead of sending you a box to send out to someone else, we'll give you a gift certificate to give to one of your subscribers. So I did the giveaway on the October box, which is the Black Cat box. So this t-shirt came in that box. Super cute t-shirt, I love it. And it's a $55 gift certificate, and it was anybody in the US or Canada could win. And what they did is they gave me the information, and I will pass that information on. There's a code that I'll pass on to the winner for them to go to the CatLady Box website, and I'll give you all that information to the winner, and they can purchase what they'd like to purchase. So they can get a box, and they can continue their subscription if they would like to. So anyway, let me tell you who won, and I'll show you. Here is what the CatLady box looks like. If Blue would sit down, love. Here's the CatLady box. This is what it comes in usually. Now, sometimes they're different sizes depending on what you get, but this is basically what you'll see in your mail, okay? And then you usually get a wearable item. And what they've been sending me is the Crazy CatLady box, which I believe is $39.99. It might be $37.99. If you get plus size like me, you add, I think it's $3 you add to it. And then you get some items for yourself that are just fun items. And then with a Crazy CatLady box, you get a couple of cat toys. And you know, if you've watched any of my videos, that the cats are crazy about it. You can also just get the CatLady box, which does not include cat toys, because, you know, sometimes we get overrun with cat toys. So anyway, let me, the winner is, let me say it exactly. It's a longtime subscriber, which I like that. I like when a longtime subscriber wins something like this. It's Tracy No LMT. That is what her channel name is. Tracy No is N-O-E, and then it says LMT afterwards. And Tracy, please get with me. I do have your address, Tracy, but I don't know how to contact you otherwise. So please get in touch with me here, acknowledge that you've seen this, and then get in touch with me, and I will talk to you about what the CatLady box told me about, you know, what you can get the November box, the December box, you know, that kind of thing. So contact me, and I'll put Tracy's picture at the end so y'all can see the comment picker, you know, what her channel looks like. Now, she does not do any videos, but I'm wondering, I don't know what the LMT means, y'all, but I'm wondering if at some point she wants to do a channel. So, you know, keep that in mind. A lot of subscribers, you know, they're subscribed for a while and then they decide they want to do a channel. It's happened before many times. I'm one of them. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing this video. And thank you so much to CatLady Box. We so enjoy your subscriptions, so enjoy your box. And, you know, Blue and Smudge both, they have so much fun. When I had Honeybee, she loved the toys too. And being that she was old, She was 16 or 17, and she still would play with those toys like she was a kitten. It was lots of fun to see her. So thank you all so much, and thanks again to CatLady Box. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.